Hi guys, today I'm gonna be making a fusion of two of the most loved cuisines in the world, Indian and Mexican. And they are my favorite too. So today I'm gonna be making a Paneer Bhurji tortilla wrap. So let's make the Paneer Bhurji first. So for that what we'll do is we'll heat a pan. Once the pan is heated, we'll add in a bit of oil. Let's wait for the oil to heat up. So the oil is nice and hot. What we'll do is we'll add in some garlic, then goes in the ginger, saute it lightly. Make sure you don't burn the garlic. So my garlic is now turning a bit brown. It's time to add in the onions and saute it lightly, just lightly. So the onions are nicely translucent, as you can see. Now what we'll do is we'll add in some tomatoes. And we'll cook the tomatoes for like 3 to 4 minutes until they are fully cooked. So always remember that the tomatoes are added after the onions so that the acidity of the tomatoes, they stop the onions from cooking further. So just remember that tip always. Always add the tomatoes after the onions. So as you can see, the tomatoes are nicely cooked and they are mushy. So this is the time to add the spices. What we'll do is we'll add some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, we'll add some coriander powder, and next goes in pepper. Just a tad bit of salt, just a sprinkle of water so that the masalas don't burn. So now what we'll do is we'll just cook it slightly. So you don't have to cook the masalas too much or for too long. Now what we'll do is we'll quickly add in some capsicum and then goes in the paneer. So the only reason we've added capsicum a bit later is that capsicum takes less time to cook. So you don't have to cook it along with onions and tomatoes. You just have to cook it lightly so that the crunch remains in the recipe. Perfect. Now the Paneer Bhurji is looking like a Paneer Bhurji finally, as you can see. So the Paneer Bhurji is nice and ready. So what we'll do now is we'll add the last finishing touch. We'll add a bit of coriander to this. So we'll keep these things aside and wait for it to cool down. So while this is cooling down, what we can do is we can prepare our salad that goes along with the Paneer Bhurji on the tortilla wrap. Some shredded cabbage, a yellow capsicum, green capsicum and red capsicum, and some carrots, a bit of lime juice, a bit of Chat Masala. We'll be adding some boiled rajma to the salad, some Tabasco for the kick. Here goes in the ketchup. And now we'll just mix it up. Just remember to season it well with any of the spices or the sauces that you like. You can add in mayo, you can add in piri piri sauce, you can add in Szechuan sauce, whatever you like, you can add it in this salad. Any vegetables. So it's up to your imagination and just be creative with it. So our salad is done. So what we'll do is now move on to the next step of the tortilla. So we have these ready-made tortilla wraps. If you don't have this, you can use a roti and a paratha. So we'll slightly warm the tortilla wrap so that it's easier to handle. Just switch on the flame and just warm it up lightly. So yeah, it's nice and warm. Now we'll take it up on the board. Switch off the gas here. So we'll take the green chutney and apply it at the base of the tortillas. And a tad bit of ketchup. You can avoid ketchup if you don't like ketchup. But everyone likes ketchup. Who doesn't like ketchup? So just a bit of ketchup, so some lettuce, just a bit of salad. So now goes in the hero ingredient, which is the Paneer Bhurji that we've made. Looks nice and yummy and it's cooled down. So now we'll add some processed cheese, just a bit of it, some chaat masala, just sprinkled on top of it lightly. And now all we have to do is roll it up. We are not going to grill this on a pan, we are not going to cook this on a pan because everything inside is cooked. What we'll do is we'll just cut it from the center for plating. You can see the salad, you can see the paneer, you can see the lettuce, and our Paneer Bhurji tortilla wrap is done. Now what we'll do is we'll clean up the station and we'll start plating up. Ketchup swirl is perfect. Now what I'll do is I'll just place some salad and now I'll place these beauties. Perfect. So our Indian Mexican Paneer Bhurji tortilla wrap is ready. It's delicious and it's tasty. I'm sure you will love this recipe. So don't forget to try this out and leave a comment below. See you next time.